guest, Mr. Andrew Hudson. Go. Cheers. Boss.
I'm Andrew Hudson, primary organizer for King of Shores. Well, we have to give God thanks today. It was another successful event. In spite of the delay with the lights and other technicality, we still push forward and pull through.
I'm Enock, Gooden, organizer and sponsor of this event. We're happy about the turnout here today. We want to say thanks to our patrons. We're happy that you came out, you know. I mean, a couple of days ago, Andrew and myself was wondering what's going to happen when we look at the weather condition. It's the first time I actually ever take my phone and watch the weather prediction so much. So I've been watching the weather prediction and it predicted that the day would be fine. And we came out, we had a wonderful day. The climate was good for racing and we had some real good racers on this track today. The circuit, it made the thing really exciting and we know that you guys enjoy yourself. So I want to say thanks. Yeah, as Andrew said before, there were little hiccups, you know, due to the generator chipping out a couple of times, you know, and that probably threw us back in terms of getting the presentation, the time when we had expected to get it done. So we know that same as we were looking for it to end a little earlier, and the patrons, I know you guys were looking for it to end a little earlier as well. But I mean, we can learn from this, and we're looking forward to 2020 when we promise you that it will be more exciting. You see what we did this time with those circuit cars? Yes, we know that you love it, and come next year, we're gonna make it even better. So continue to support us. We love you guys. You know, it's an awesome audience and we are happy. We will be here in 2020 to give you another great production. Thanks again. Thanks 876 Street, and thanks to all our sponsors that came on board. This was a great event and we love it. We love it.
And also, how can we leave and not thanking our competitors? You guys make it happen. You made the event exciting, and we want to say that King of Shores this year is a success also because of you guys. So we're asking you, just continue to support us. We really appreciate it, and next year we look forward for King of Shores 2020 to be bigger and better than before.
And last but not least, to the Jam West family, the Garden family and all the employees, we thank you guys for having us. We are happy that you continue to host this great event and people look forward to this on Boxing Day. So come next year, Boxing Day, mark it on your calendar, we'll be here.
All our sponsors, pick up. One love. See you next year, King of Shores 2020.